The world of handheld gaming has been evolving at a pace that few could have predicted just a few years ago. Devices like the Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and ASUS ROG Ally have all shown us that portable gaming doesn't have to mean compromising performance. But now, ASUS is back with something even more ambitious, the ASUS ROG Ally 2. Billed as the handheld that changes everything so far, the ROG Ally 2 is set to redefine the way we think about portable gaming. With confirmed improvements in performance, display technology, battery life, and system design, this handheld isn't just an upgrade. It's shaping up to be a true game-changer in the handheld gaming industry. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about the ASUS ROG Ally 2, its specs, features, design changes, performance benchmarks, comparisons with rivals, price, release date, and why it might be the most important handheld device of 2025. Before diving into the second generation, it's worth remembering what made the original ASUS ROG Ally such a standout device. Launched in 2023, the ROG Ally was ASUS's bold entry into the handheld gaming PC market, directly challenging Valve's Steam Deck. The first Ally featured a 7-inch 120Hz display, AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU, Windows 11 compatibility, and a lightweight design that made it a serious contender in the space. Unlike the Steam Deck, which leaned heavily on Linux-based SteamOS, the ROG Ally's use of Windows meant it could run virtually any PC game, giving it far greater flexibility. However, despite its strengths, the original Ally had shortcomings. Battery life, in particular, was one of the biggest criticisms. Many users also noted that while the hardware was powerful, the Windows interface wasn't fully optimized for handheld use, making it less intuitive than SteamOS. These pain points provided ASUS with clear targets for improvement, and that's exactly where the ROG Ally 2 comes in. Now that we've seen official details and reliable leaks, here's what we know about the ROG Ally 2 specifications so far. Processor: AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU with RDNA 4 GPU cores. RAM: options up to 32 GB LPDDR5X. Storage: up to 2 TB NVMe SSD with expandable microSD support. Display: 7.5-inch OLED panel, 1080p resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, HDR support. Battery: 65 Wh dual-cell battery with smart thermal management. Cooling system: ROG Cryotech Plus advanced cooling with vapor chamber design. Operating system: Windows 12 compatibility with an optimized ROG overlay for handheld use. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C with DisplayPort support, and XG mobile external GPU compatibility. Weight: around 650 g, slightly lighter than the original Ally despite a larger battery. On paper, these specs make the Ally 2 not only an upgrade but also a leap forward in handheld gaming hardware. The inclusion of a larger 7.5-inch OLED panel with HDR and a 144Hz refresh rate is especially exciting, promising both smoother visuals and richer colors. The biggest reason the ROG Ally 2 changes everything is its performance. With the Ryzen Z2